The Director General of National Investigation Agency is also in Kashmir Valley right now and reaching the Pahalgam site for further investigation. Remember, NIDG himself taking this ahead and is leading the investigation. And just to give you a background, as he also investigates and tries to understand what exactly happened in Pahalgam, I want to bring in Mir Farid on this. And viewer, remember that he's no ordinary officer. Sadanand Date was in Mumbai. He was the ACP then when 26/11 had happened. He'd been on the streets when the terrorists were opening fire, confronted them, and also then after 2019 was part of the investigation further. In fact, he's the one responsible for the extradition of the Tahawwur Rana as much. So he understands the terror network of Pakistan. I want to bring in Farid. Farid, tell me more about why would the NIDG reach Pahalgam also as much as to supervise the investigations otherwise?
Pooja, it is very important in many ways because you have to look at the messaging. The government is conveying this. This is very, very important to them that the investigations are fast-tracked, and if DGNI reaches Pahalgam, that obviously sends the message how serious the government is, and the presence of DG in Pahalgam will obviously be a morale booster for the NIA teams. We know multiple teams are camping in Pahalgam from Delhi, from the Jammu zonal office, and if DG is there, then obviously that's the impetus that they need to fast-track this investigation and go all out as far as this attack and to unearth the plot. So it is significant in many ways. The DG will be at the location, as you rightly said. He's a very experienced officer who has seen n number of anti-terror operations. To add to that, investigations. So he knows what's happening in Pahalgam, and obviously he'll also get the feedback of the NIA teams, pass them instructions on the ground as to what really needs to be done, how can they really go about it in a more effective manner, fast track it. So it is significant in many ways. The messaging is that the government is on it. The Home Ministry is very serious about this case. They want this case to be unearthed, the plot to be unearthed from scratch right to where it is right now, and also the people, the faces behind it need to be unmasked. So this is very significant if you look at all those things, and then also the fact that for the NIA teams this is pretty significant because DG, their chief, is there, so that will give them the morale booster and also impetus to go about it in a
more about the probe right now. Of course, not revealing any sensitive location or details, but how is the investigation proceeding? What is on their agenda? They will have to put out a timeline, but how are they going about it?
Well, Pooja, each passing minute new details are coming out.
Yes.
Investigations are leading them to fresh details, fresh angles, and also the very fact that not only this location but other locations were also recce'd in Pahalgam. So that's the new bit of information we're getting, and this obviously gives new dimension to the case, that they were not only in the jungles but they had come down, at least some of them, they had recce'd various locations and then finally chose this spot meticulously because of all the reasons we have been mentioning, from the fact that it is secluded, there is no security force detailed presence, and then the escape routes are easy considering the jungles that are very close to Baisaran. Pooja?
All right, Farid, tracking all the latest that is coming in from JNK with regard to the NIA DG, the team that's investigating, DG himself ensuring that he's not only supervising but goes to the site where this incident happened to understand as much how did the terrorists manage to carry on this matter.